Is your Ford shifting hard, hesitating before going into gear, or changing gears at the wrong time? Before you spend hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars replacing transmission parts, there's one simple procedure you should try first. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to reset your Ford transmission control module, also known as the TCM. I'll also explain the correct relearn procedure after the reset and reveal one common mistake that can lead to poor shifting or even transmission damage if you skip it. Let's get started. Method 1. Accelerator pedal reset. This is the quickest method and doesn't require any tools. It works on many Ford vehicles. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and shift into park. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for about 20 seconds. While keeping the pedal pressed, turn the ignition completely off. Now release the accelerator pedal and wait at least 2 minutes without opening the doors or pressing any buttons. Start the engine and take the vehicle for a short drive to see if the shifting has improved. If nothing changes, move on to the next method. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This method clears stored adaptive transmission values on many Ford models. Turn the ignition off and disconnect the negative battery cable. With the battery disconnected, press and hold the horn for about 30 seconds to discharge any remaining electrical power. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 15 minutes. Reconnect the battery securely. Start the engine and let it idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Once it's fully warmed up, take the vehicle for a test drive. If you're still experiencing the same symptoms, it's time for the most effective reset method. Method 3. Reset using an OBD2 scanner. The most reliable way to reset your Ford's TCM is with an OBD2 scanner. Plug the scanner into the diagnostic port, open the transmission control module, select Reset TCM, and confirm the reset. Once it's complete, restart the engine. TCM Relearn Procedure. After the reset, drive the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then make several smooth accelerations, allowing the transmission to shift through every gear. Drive at a mix of city and highway speeds, and avoid hard acceleration for the next 24 to 48 hours while the TCM relearns your driving habits. Important warning: never reset the TCM when the transmission is cold. Always let the vehicle warm up first. A reset can improve shifting issues, but it won't repair worn or damaged transmission components. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY automotive repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.